Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you how to use Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar Upper Body Workout Bar. So, you might be wondering what is the Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, the Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar is a portable resistance training device designed to help users build upper body strength at home or while traveling. Now, according to the official website here, it combines isometric training with variable resistance, allowing the resistance to change throughout each movement so that each tension is applied where your muscles are naturally strongest. Now, the company says this approach targets the chest, shoulders, arms, back, forearms, and core without requiring a full set of weights or gym equipment. Now, one of the Gorilla Bar's main features is its adjustable resistance. Now, it's offered in several resistance levels to suit different fitness levels, ranging from beginner to more advanced users. Now, the bar also features padded non-slip handles for comfort, a lightweight and compact design for portability, and a durable construction intended for repeated use, according to the official store. Now, the Gorilla Bar is currently priced at around $89.95, discounted from the listed regular price of $299.90, and includes a 60-day money-back guarantee and free worldwide shipping and a 1-year warranty. And prices and promotions may change over time or where you are or which region you're accessing the website. Now, in this case, using Gorilla Bar is quite simple. You want to hold the padded handles with both hands and select the resistance level that the machine that matches your strength. Now, perform resistance-based exercises by bending, pressing, or pulling the bar while maintaining controlled movements. Now, the bar can be used for chest presses, bicep curls, shoulder presses, rows, tricep extensions, and isometric holds. Now, the manufacturer recommends starting with about 10 minutes per day, 5 days a week, and increasing your workout duration as your strength improves. Since the resistance comes from the bar itself, no additional equipment is required. That's according to them. Now, according to Mr. Sculpt, the Gorilla Bar variable resistance improves more resistance during the strongest part of each movement and less during weaker portions of the range of motion. Now, the company says this helps increase muscle activation while placing less stress on the joints than some traditional free weight exercises. Now, the compact design also makes it easy to use at home, in the office, or while traveling without needing a dedicated workout space. Now, in this case, if you really intend of buying a specific product here, it's better to ask or contact them for any questions about the product. Now, you can reach out to them via their official website by going to the following or using the following email address or going to the contact us page in their website. Now, with any kind of products that you're buying online, it is highly recommended that you read reviews outside the website and basically doing your own research here to just to make sure that you are getting your money's worth. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.